In a compelling Premier League encounter at Stamford Bridge, Chelsea secured a 3-1 victory over newly crowned champions Liverpool, marking their first home league win against the Reds in 7 years. The match was notable not only for the on-field action, but also for the pre-match Guard of Honor, which was met with a chorus of boos from the home fans. Guard of Honor met with boos. As per tradition, Chelsea players lined up to applaud Liverpool onto the pitch in recognition of their Premier League title win. However, the gesture was overshadowed by loud boos from the Stamford Bridge crowd, reflecting the intense rivalry between the two clubs. Despite the mixed reception, former Manchester United captain Roy Keane defended the tradition, emphasizing the importance of sportsmanship and mutual respect in football. Match highlights: Chelsea took an early lead in the 3rd minute through Enzo Fernandez, who finished off a swift counterattack involving Romeo Lavia and Pedro Neto. The Blues doubled their advantage in the second half when a miscommunication between Liverpool's Virgil van Dijk and Jarell Quansah resulted in an own goal. Liverpool managed to pull one back with a header from Van Dijk, but Cole Palmer sealed the win for Chelsea with a stoppage time penalty, ending his 18-game goal drought. Implications for both teams. The victory boosts Chelsea's hopes of qualifying for the Champions League, placing them level on points with Newcastle United in 4th place. Manager Enzo Maresca praised his team's adaptability and defensive effort, highlighting the performances of Palmer, Lavia, and Cucurella. For Liverpool, the defeat, while inconsequential to their title win, exposed issues with squad depth and cohesion, especially after making several lineup changes. The lackluster performance raised questions about areas needing reinforcement in the upcoming transfer window. The match underscored the enduring rivalry between Chelsea and Liverpool, with the pre-match boos and on-field intensity reflecting the competitive spirit that defines encounters between these two storied clubs. Chelsea triumphs over Liverpool amidst controversial Guard of Honor.